Farhad Jion, Assalamu alaikum. I am Farhad from Dhaka, Bangladesh. Because of COVID-19, I am not going to pray Jummah at masjid, though the masjid is open and people are praying there. Am I doing a sin by praying at home? If the mosques are open and the government decides that the mosques are open and you are getting scared that you will get COVID-19, coronavirus disease 19, and you are afraid to go and you don't go, are you doing a sin? Yes. Not only a sin, you are doing a major sin. It is ghunaya kabira. According to Imam al-Dhahabi, if you do not pray Jumuah Salaah without a valid reason, it is the 66th major sin. If you have a valid reason that if you are traveling, okay, no problem. If you are sick, no problem. If you are suffering from COVID-19, if you don't go, you should not go. It is haram to go because you will infect others. If you are sick, if you don't go, excused. But if you are healthy, only you are afraid, a believer should have faith in Allah. Do you think by staying at home the COVID-19 cannot affect you? You stay in an ivory tower, if Allah wants that you will get infected by COVID-19, you can die by COVID-19. That as a Muslim, we leave it to Allah. And our beloved Prophet Muhammad said, take precaution and trust in God. If you are afraid that you may get COVID-19, you take precaution. Take your own sajjada, take your prayer mat. See to it you don't shake hands with anyone. See to it you do wudu at home. See to it you spend least time in the mosque, no problem. See to it that you sanitize your hand. You see to it you wear a mask. No problem. Take precaution if you are afraid. But you saying I will not go for Jumuah Salaah, then you are actually, it's a big sin. Not only a sin, it's a major sin. If the mosque is open, if the government decides that it's not compulsory to close the mosque, you should pray all 5 times Salah in the mosque. It is a fard for the Muslims, for the Muslim men, to offer 5 times Salah congregation in the mosque. And Jumuah Salaah is all the more reason important. The Hadith says, if you don't offer 3 Jummah without a valid reason, Allah blots your heart. And there also Hadith that says, it's as good as though you have done kufr.